back to my YouTube channel. I'm really sorry that I haven't been posting for almost a year now, but let's get ready. And this is my outfit, like baby pink situation. So today I'm going to give you guys a story time of my toxic friendship in Russian school, because of which I almost got into trouble. So let's get started. So basically, me and this friend, we met in school through like a common friend. I was really good friends with her cousin. I was like, yeah, this friend is going to be normal, but वो नहीं थी. So first situation happened when I was hanging out with her in school. Like normally we like used to go around school and stuff. And guess what? She was like, yeah, तुम तो वो हो क्या कहते. Okay, so I prepped my face with Max Strobe cream and pink light or something. But okay, let's get started. So I met this friend in school. I was friends with her cousin. We met in the school sports area. तो हम जैसे like I became friends with her through her cousin, and basically she goes one time, she says कि तुम्हारे बारे में मेरे classmates बहुत बुरा बोल रहे हैं, like you're not. And I was like, okay fine, I don't care. So let's start with my brows first. I was friends with this hello. So guys, I was friends with this girl who legit almost got me into trouble in Russian school, because it is bad if you get in trouble. So this friend of mine, we met in the sports area of our school, which is inside, and we were like, yeah, hi. We met through her cousin. So because of her, so first situation what happens, she constantly tried to be like, I'm so tired, like, you know, okay fine, nothing wrong with it, I get it. But if someone constantly says कि मैं तो थक गई रे, you'll be of course exhausted. Then she constantly goes like, तुझे ये पता है कि इस लड़की ने मेरे को ये बात बोली है. Like, okay fine, you do you Pookie, but I don't like talking about other people and their dirty nonsense for some reason. So what happened, next situation, we were like going around school, like हमारा inside of the school, since I study in a Russian school, हम बाहर नहीं जाते विंटर्स में, तो हम अंदर like walk करते हैं and stuff. तो basically there was this boy, okay, ew. And we were like normally like hi hello hota tha, but like he was low key my bully. That's a story for another time, because I get I bet you get it. Okay, so for this guy, we were like, my friend and I were sitting, so I decided to do a trick on her, because I used to get annoyed of her, which is bad, I know, but okay. So I was like, look at my finger up and down and sideways, and slapped. I mean, I did not slap her, but I scared the living hell out of her, which is bad, I know. I knew I was a kid back then. I am still a kid. But then क्या होता है, she was like, तू उस लड़के पे कर जो वहाँ पे बैठा है. I was like, okay fine, I don't मतलब मेरे को डराना तो था किसी को. And plus he was like a okay-ish friend of mine. तो क्या होता है, I was like, yeah, आ जाओ मेरे पास. I was like, hey, I wanna do a trick on you and all that. तो मैंने उसे ऐसे ऐसे करके slap कर दिया. Not a hard slap, but like a slow wala. So basically the guy is like, he looks at me like heartbroken, like I did something really bad to him or something like that. But okay, hota hai. Next what happened was, मैं और मेरी friend घूमने जा रहे हैं school में. I was like, okay, yeah. Then that guy comes in front of us. She's like, हमारे से थप्पड़ खा गया, हमारे से थप्पड़ खा गया. Like, okay, fine, I get it, but I felt like the boy was really like scared of me or something. But like उसका heart बड़ा वो हो गया था, cause like we were at least hi bye वाले दोस्त. But then what happened? She irritated the living hell out of that guy. And that guy legit constantly came to us. So basically he was like, oye oye tere kacha dikh raha hai and all that. Then that guy comes at us like, you both fatties or something like that. बहुत गाली गलोच की हमारे साथ, which was bad. Thankfully I'm not friends with her. The reason why I'm not friends with her, let's begin. She used to annoy me. She used to like talk shit about like me, and her cousin was a good friend. But in Russian school, almost everyone smokes or drinks. Thankfully, I'm not the person who likes it, and plus I'm allergic and I would never drink. तो क्या होता है, that girl जो उसकी cousin है, she was like, yeah, you wanna drink or something, या मेरे को छुपा दो. तो what happened in school, since क्या कहते, wait, sorry. So basically what happened in school, they like scold you for doing this type of stuff because it's not good for your health and all that. तो हमारे school में bans लगाए हैं. So what happens, she was doing a cigarette, I believe, I don't know how to say it. So they caught her, and somebody said, you are Deepika's friend, it's not nice that you smoke while she's allergic. Then क्या होता है, teachers like legit scold them. Thankfully, because of this reason, I stopped being friends with them, because I don't like people who smoke. I don't like people who do these types of stuff. But जो हो जाता है, after she's doing like this stuff, I was like really disappointed in her cousin, because she was like a good friend of mine. Like, she was not a bad person and all that. But जो इसकी ये वाली cousin जो मेरे साथ चिमड़ गई थी, she was, you know, so क्या होता है, then she's like कि तुम्हें तो पता होना चाहिए कि मतलब ये चीज़ अच्छी होती है. I'm like, bro, that's not even good and all that. हमारी constantly फिर fights होती थी. She used to like कि तुम बड़ी वो क्या कहते हैं, like you don't use. Okay, once I lost this lip liner which I got as a gift, so I didn't want to lose it. तो क्या होता है, I was like, can you help me figure where I lost this lip liner? She's like, तुम तो expensive brands लगाती हो, you don't use cheap brands. But bro, like, makeup is an art, and I like different products because I watch TikTok, okay? मेरे को TikTok में जो मिल जाता है, if I like it, I'll bloody ass buy it. So what happens, she's like, okay, fine, I'll help you find it. But guess what? She stole that lip liner. I was so bloody pissed. Like, not even that could help me. But I still stuck. Then my friend, the one who I'm friends with since 6th grade, she comes to me. She's like, you have been really distant because of this friend. I'm like, I don't know what to do. ये मेरे को छोड़ती भी नहीं है. Like, one time it was, I think, this year. So basically in starting, she constantly used to say, Deepika, can you please give me your power bank? Okay, fine. Sometimes like once तुम चार्जर भूल सकते हो, तुम अपना पावर बैंक भूल सकते हो, तुम कुछ भी भूल सकते हो. तो I gave her from the kindness of my heart. Guess what? She breaks the power bank wires. It's still working. Like, wait, how do I explain it? This is not working because she didn't use it the right way. And then of course I got really mad, but okay, कुछ भी होता है, sometimes हो जाता है. I didn't say anything, and then I became distant with her. I was like, मुझे और तुम्हारे साथ दोस्त नहीं होता. शी वाज लाइक क्यों क्यों, लाइक व्हाट डिड आई डू रॉन्ग, आई जस्ट लाइक मैंने गलती से तोड़ा था तुम्हारा पावर बैंक एंड ऑल दैट. आई वाज लाइक वेयर द हेल इज द मनी फॉर द पावर बैंक, तुमने मेरे को दिया, शुड आई अपोलोजाइज एंड ऑल दैट. आई वाज लाइक I was so mad. But then what happened, मैंने लो की उसके साथ hello hi चलता है because we are in the same class. Like in maths class you are like divided in groups. So I got into the group with her. God help. And she used to say hello hi, but thankfully I used to not like wo. She really wanted friends because her cousin moved out, because after she damaged our school's reputation, every parent knew कि उसकी बहन ने cigarette की है, and that sister, the cousin sister, she left. I was friends with her because of her, but now thankfully उसने मेरे को हटा दिया. Like I'm not involved bro, why involved with her or anything, but और कुछ नहीं है. It was like a sour friendship in which constantly I used to be like, oh god, कब ये मेरा पीछा छोड़ेगी. Okay, if I want friends, I don't like if they are like too naggy, but a good amount of nagginess, like clinginess. Wait, मैं भी जल्दी से हाथ धो के आई. I have really वो in a way like they are like तुम मुझे मत छोड़ो, मेरे साथ हर जगह जाओ. That are the type of friends जिससे तुम्हें दूर रहना चाहिए. Okay, I mean you should be in a limited distance, like hello hi होना चाहिए, but that girl I'll forever remember her because उसने मेरे साथ इतना बुरा व्यवहार किया है. Wow, what a Hindi, but okay. So now like she was friends with like some other people in our like school who are okay. तो क्या होता है, she in our school there is like strict program कि अगर तुम्हें जाना होता है you have to first get it verified with the principal कि मैं तुम्हारा बच्चा छोड़ रही हूँ. like the parent calls are like vice principal or our class teacher, like the home room वाली. तो what happened, this girl उसकी home room teacher ने छोड़ दिया. she thought she is not gonna do something worse, like something खराब हो जाएगा या something like that. How did she know? That friend legit got into the accident with electric bikes. Like, okay, fine bro, but I feel bad for her because she couldn't attend our last bell. Last bell is basically like Russian prom, in which the girlies dress up really nice, they dance with the guys. I gave speech in mine. तो क्या होता है, I was feeling bad because after all she studied in our school and it's not nice that कि वो attend नहीं कर पाई. But I don't know what to say about her anymore because I don't have it. So I'll just continue with my makeup because I already forgot most of the stuff she did. These were the main pointers जो मेरे को अभी तक याद है, and I think I'll forever remember. Oh wait, one situation. So basically when I was in 7th grade, I was friends with her then. जैसे गर्मियों में she was like, दीपिका चलो तुम मेरे साथ चल लो, हम घूमने चलते हैं. My mom was like, okay बच्चा तुम चली जाओ अपने दोस्त के साथ घूमने. After all she called me, she's asking for you. I was like, okay mama. So I went with her and she legit, guess what she does. तो उस दिन बारिश हो रही है and she didn't allow me to even take rest. Like, okay, I was like, let's sit, I need to get my wild berries का सामान. She's like, okay, fine. And she legit just annoys me. जैसे like सर पे दीवार पे सर मारना नहीं होता. She legit annoyed me and I'm like, okay. Then we go to KFC. One thing about me, if we are like hanging out for the first time or the second even, like we are not close friends, तो मैं तुम्हें treat या पैसे नहीं देने वाली. If I do, give me cash or like number लो, she still to this day didn't return my money. But okay, कोई बात नहीं, मेरी treat. She's like, मैं बहुत थकी हूँ, कहीं चलते. I was like, you want something? Eat something. Like I'm paying it for it. Eat something. Like कुछ भी ले लो, फिर मेरे को बाद में. She's like, नहीं मैं बस यही लूँगी. And then we got stuck in the rain. And I got scolded from her mom. She was like, मेरी बेटी तुम्हारी वजह से बुखार चढ़ गया. I was like, bro, I'm not sick, but that doesn't mean कि मेरी वजह से. She had to go to her house, which is even far. वहाँ पे भी बरसात हो रही थी. Oh God, okay. So basically, on last day of 7th grade, I was wearing this really pretty blue dress, like periwinkle. So what happens? I need like. She is like, I was like, I want to see the dance of the 11th and 9th grade kids because we will also be like 9th graders and wo. She wasn't allowing me. She was like, कि मैं तुम्हें allow नहीं करती. I mean, excuse me. Excuse me. Like my mom already knows she allows me for most of the stuff. तो basically she was like, नहीं allow कर रही. Like एक अलग बात होती है. But like I wanted to see it. Even my class teachers were there. They were like, तुम भी देख लेना and all that. But उसने मेरे को छोड़ा नहीं. That's. Okay, wait, let me. Like, wait. Okay, so like, okay, fine, I get it. She legit. Guess what she did? First, she forced me to slap that boy. I didn't want to slap. I could have gotten trouble. Thankfully, that boy was nice. He didn't say anyone के हाँ मतलब कि इस लड़की ने मेरे को थप्पड़ मारा. Like even the principal. But because of her, I almost got into trouble. And plus, वो, as a friend, she wasn't that good of a sangat, like in which I would like to put my energy. But yeah, that's what happened most of the time. And yeah, like she wasn't good as a friend. Like I don't like breaking friendships. I don't like hurting anyone's heart. But she legit मुझे आंसू ला दिए थे उसने. Like I couldn't do anything. And as far as there is like a saying, I forgot what was the saying, but let's keep it like, if somebody drains your energy, you shouldn't go back to them constantly. By the way, I accidentally broke this palette, but मैं mirror के लिए use कर रही हूँ इसे. Sorry बुआ, she got me this, but I use them. But वो गलती से टूट गया था. Sorry बुआ. But yeah. So let me do my mascara. That's all I wanted to say. Let's do my mascara now. But I get it. Some people can view it as normal. Some people don't. I didn't like what she did. And plus, I am a person who even doesn't always drink energy drink. Because I had my doses of energy drinks. So she was like, तुम ये पी लो कुछ नहीं होगा. I heard that if you drink loads of amount of energy drink, you can like bye is दुनिया से. Like since I was like 13 or 14 back then, I don't even remember. So it's not really good. And she's like, तुम पी लो कुछ भी नहीं होता. It is just normal energy drink and all that. But thankfully I didn't Thankfully I didn't go to her house. And plus after that I realized I need to stay far from these kinds of people. I mean, I don't want to say her nationality, but I believe the thing said about them is in fact the true thing. Like I don't know how to explain it, but in जो भी वो. By the way, my exam results came. मेरे 2 exam के result आए हैं. And guess what I got? I got a 5 in English. And oh god, I'm so happy. Okay, I can talk about my exams. So let's go. तो फर्स्ट होता है हमारे मैथ्स का एग्ज़ाम, विच मैथ्स ओगे. इट इज़ बेसिकली लाइक द बोर्ड ऑफ आई डोंट नो, वेट, इट्स लाइक द बोर्ड ऑफ 10th grade. लाइक इन इंडियन स्कूल तुम 10th में बोर्ड्स देते हो, हमारे में इट्स 9th. तो बेसिकली you can go to college if your results are bad, or you can go to uni. Like you pass your exams and go like above 375, so you go to 2 years of school, and then if you want you can straight up go to uni. तो क्या होता है in maths exam, most of my classmates, they were like, everyone bought their answers. I was like, I'm not gonna cheat. तो क्या होता है, I was sitting in my classroom, it was horrible. तो मैथ्स के एग्जाम होता है 3 hour 40 minutes, no 3 hour 50 minutes कोई. And I didn't want to sit all the way. Like I was the first to get out of that hellhole. Like not in my auditory, in my class I was like, I'm done, what do I do? So I got like a 4 out of 5. I couldn't get a 5 because of the maths group which I was in. They didn't teach us the rest of the numbers. I only knew till 1 to 19. हमारे में 26 questions होते हैं. But I'm happy that I got a 4 out of 4. So like I got the highest 4 out of 4. So next क्या होता है, I go outside my maths का like paper, like we can have like a lemonade या पानी and like a chocolate. I even took some sandwich with me. I mean, I was a hungry person. तो क्या होता है, I couldn't open the sandwich, and plus I was like so excited कि मेरा मैथ्स का पेपर आ रहा है, like first paper of this okay stuff. And guess what, every teacher of mine was nervous for me because since I'm like not good in Russian. I am good, it's just they don't trust me कि मतलब मैं कुछ गलत पढ़ लूँगी and then I wouldn't. But I got a 4 out of 5. English में 5 out of 5. English का अलग कहानी है. It is really like it made me drained for like 2 weeks क्योंकि हमने लिखा था 5 को एग्ज़ाम, like 1 week में ड्रेन हुई हूँ. रिजल्ट आ जाए, I mean by the time I'll post and edit थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. बट वट हैपन्स, तो जब रिजल्ट्स आ रहे थे आई वॉज लाइक मैथ्स का रिजल्ट आ गया, ओके फाइन, गॉड इज़ वर्किंग, मेरा 4 out of 4 आया है. तो लाइक इन क्लास आई वॉज गोइंग टू ईट लाइक चॉकलेट. विच ब्रांड ऑफ चॉकलेट डिड आई गेट? I think I got Picnic, I don't remember, but I ate that chocolate. I was like, yeah, that's enough sugar stall. क्योंकि सुबह मैंने मीठी चाय पी थी. My maths की teacher who I love, we were like, wait, I was like, मैं क्या करूँ? I feel like good giving the exam. She even wrote a message for me, Dipi, you're really good, I'm really proud of you and all that. तो मैथ्स का क्या होता है, ओ मैथ्स की टीचर, मैथ्स के एग्ज़ाम से मैथ्स की टीचर याद आ गई. तो बेसिकली दैट मैथ्स की टीचर इज़ रियली लाइक वाइस प्रिंसिपल. तो हमारे क्लास में लाइक हमारे जो स्टूडेंट्स पिक आउट किए थे उसके साथ, जैसे लाइक आई वॉज वन ऑफ देम. तो क्या होता है, वी आर लाइक, सिंस शी इज़ द वाइस प्रिंसिपल एंड मैथ्स की वो घोषित की रही है कि मतलब शी इज़ लाइक रियली टॉप इन मैथ्स एंड ऑल दैट. तो हमारे क्लास में सबकी वो जैसे लाइक, oh my god, we are scared, she's a maths teacher. I was like, oh hi. And after I think I danced in 8 March, she kissed my cheek. Oh my god, she's a really strict teacher, but for me she was the most kindest teacher ever because she like दूसरे की फटती थी, not mine. But I was really happy. But आई थिंक वो मेरी 8th ग्रेड में, 9th 10th में जा रही हूँ, 10th ग्रेड की टीचर नहीं होगी, मे बी होगी, हु नोज. लाइक आई फॉरगॉट दैट कोट. ब्रो व्हाई डू आई फॉरगेट इट. ओके, तो फिर इंग्लिश की बारी आती है. लाइक इंग्लिश का एग्ज़ाम मेरा बहुत ख़राब गया. लाइक एक होता है नॉर्मल, एक होता है बहुत ख़राब. तो मेरा लाइक आई डिड एवरीथिंग. तो वहाँ पे एक होता है ऑडियो वाला, लाइक नॉट ऑडियो, यू हैव टू स्पीक. तो आई वॉज लाइक ओ माई गॉड, आई डोंट वांट टू स्पीक, बट आई वॉज लाइक चलो मैं पहले स्पीकिंग का ख़त्म कर देती हूँ एंड देन आई डू द लिसनिंग एंड रीडिंग एंड स्टफ लाइक दैट. I was like, okay, fine. I did it. तो क्या होता है, I accidentally said like didn't finish like you know, to begin with I'm going to talk about school. My topic was school. तो I was talking about it and क्या होता है, guess what happens? I totally forgot. I was like, what should I talk about school? तो I did talk about like मेरे 7 lessons होते हैं. I like school, it's okay. I forgot to say to end with or my attitude to is positive. उसके तुम्हारे marks गिरते हैं. एंड मैं पूरी ये जो जब तक मेरे रिजल्ट्स नहीं आए ना इंग्लिश के, आई couldn't sleep. I used to sleep like 12 भी नहीं, 2-3 बजे. I know that's bad for your health, but क्या होता है, my results came, I screamed. मम्मा के कान दुख रहे हैं अब. I can't do anything about it, but yeah, my favorite palette. But now I'm happy. But मेरा one exam Tuesday को है on 16th and one मैंने लिखा है रशियन का. Even the okay, so in exams हमारे लिए कैमरा चला होता है. Like they check everything of ours. Like अगर तुम, we are basically put through metal detectors. वो what is that machine जो ऐसे जैसे तुम जाते हो, I forgot the name. Basically you are put into a lot of stuff. So क्या होता है, I was like we'll have to see कि मतलब वो like most and everyone in my school, in my Russian teacher, my tuition teacher, they were like बेटा तुम अपने साथ notes लेके चली जाओ, कुछ तो लेके चली जाओ. I was like no, I'll give every exam on my own because Russian schools में तुम आसानी से cheating कर सकते in the toilets. I was like I don't wanna cheat, so I didn't bring any single cheat notes and everything. So my Russian teacher is like when the result comes, I think it will be on the 15th or something. तो क्या होता है, my Russian teacher is like दीपिका तुमने क्यों नहीं लेके गई. I was like मेरा वो like how sovist, what sovist in Russian? My no inside. My inside was like I'm not gonna cheat because bro मैंने 2 साल से मैं कठिन मेहनत कर रही हूँ. If I cheat, it's not going to bring something for me. eyeshadow अच्छा लग रहा है. Okay. I need to blend it. So like I didn't cheat and wish me luck for my geography exam. And yeah, I'm really nervous for geography. What is in store for me? I'll little remove कर देंगे क्योंकि it's too pink. I don't like it. I need like that bright, like cozy pink look. Wait, where is my lip? What should I use? Where is my brown lip liner? Okay, wait. Ranu, मेरी अलमारी में वो देख ले. ये कट कर दी. मेरी अलमारी में वो देख के कर दी. Okay, so I already forgot what I was talking because I was searching for my lipstick bag. I mean, I have a lot of lipsticks, but we are not gonna talk about them. I have even more, so I'm gonna be using this 104 वाला lip liner because some people ask कि तुमने आज लिप कॉम्बो कौन सा किया है, तो वी आर यूजिंग दिस. वेट, अलाइन माय क्यूपिड्स बो. And align my lips, and now I'll be blending it. क्या मैं किसके बारे, ये कट करती हूँ, मैं किसके बारे में बात कर रही थी? एग्जाम से गई था, अगर नहीं हुआ कोई बात नहीं. Okay, so I'll be blending. It's the Real Techniques का brush and lip smudge. Wait, what is the? It's something 425. We are just gonna blend it so that it looks really nice. I mean, this part is unnecessary, but I love it because it basically looks aesthetically pleasing. And then I'm going with this lip butter in lip butter gloss in tiramisu. Okay, so I feel like I'll get a 4 out of 5 in geography, even though I love geography. Geography is one of my faves, but yeah, okay. Here's my lips. I'll get dressed and come really quickly. Okay, so I'm wearing these. Wait. And I think, oh god, what are these earrings? So I'll think I'll put this bindi because it's like matching with the flower ke inside. So wait, let me open it. Oh god, I think I will better go with my glue if I find it, because once you put a bindi with eyelash glue, it is मतलब ये हिलने नहीं वाली. Please, क्योंकि wait, where the hell is my eye? Where did I put this? Okay, I found it. So it's this. I use this Catrice ka. How do I? Oh shoot, wait. I mean, I think मेरे को ज़्यादा नीचे करनी चाहिए थी, but मैंने ऊपर कर ली. Wait. But I need to pinkify this gloss because it looks too warm. Like it doesn't look pink. Which lip liner should I use? Wait, let me wear this. How do I clean it now? Here, I'll take a tissue or a paper. Okay, I basically removed the gloss. I'll go with like a lighter lip liner in 103. Cause if I don't like my lip combo, nobody is getting wo. So I'll just oi. Ranu. Right. And we'll be using this Swala lip gloss in, it's also a butter gloss from Devage, whatever. Devage. I need to stop with my, I'll just, yeah, that's it, my look. I'm ready now. Thank you. Please subscribe, and all my all my social media like Snapchat, everything is at it's Deepika Ahuja. Please make sure to follow, subscribe, and whatever. Bye.